So in this video I'll be explaining how we used Final Effects to apply the fire to the face effect. So this is the program. We go File, Import, choose the video that we want. Then opens up on the left, we just drag it into the stage. And there's the footage. Then we have to draw a mask around the face. So this will set it in one position, the camera. And then it cuts the rest of the background out. So if we move the footage now, we only see that one frame. So what we now need to do is apply an effect so that it looks more fire-ish. So we choose CC Toner. And then we adjust the colours so it looks orangish. To simulate fire. Just have to mess around until it looks right. Then we have to set a brightness contrast effect. So again, make it look more like fire. Then we have to make a new stage, which is going to be the fire effect. We call it fractional noise. So we look up fractional noise. That's the effect. So it's just a smoky effect. Change it to dynamic twist. Invert it. And adjust the contrast and brightness. So to allow it to make the fractional noise move, we have to then create an evolution cycle. So we click the front of the stage, and then we click the very end of the footage, click the stopwatch on the left, and then adjust the x-axis. So now the fractional noise is moving, we have to apply it to the to the face. So we do this, drag the fractional noise underneath the face effect, go for options, blur, and then alpha linear, and then that will apply it. So that's how it looks in the end. So this is Adobe Premiere, the actual program we use to make the music video. So you can see the footage in the bottom left. And there it is cycling through. So to select footage that we want, we go I in the keyboard, and then O for out, and then we simply drag it into the stage in the bottom right. And then the right screen shows a preview of what it will look like. So then we can adjust the length of it. You can also add more footage of, again, the I and O on the keyboard. So this program works in layers, so the top layer always is the one that we see in the actual preview. Like there, for example. So we can then cut the clips using the blade tool, which is just in the column here. There is a shortcut on the keyboard, but I don't actually know it at the moment. So then we just go to the footage we want with the blade tool and just press halfway through. And that will split the clip. So here I have edited the clip, doing quite a few cuts. So then we can apply effects to a particular clip. So it's just in the effects tab in the left hand side. So you can adjust stuff like the brightness, colour. And again, we get a preview on the right. So once we're finished, we just import as QuickTime, and then there we have the movie. So here we have Photoshop. I'll be showing you how I made this simple design. So first you go File, New, then name it, choose the size. Ours was quite small because it was a CD cover. And press OK. So it works in layers again. On the right hand side, the top one is what we see. So the bottom one's just the background. We can just lock that bar and change it to black. So we unlock it, go over to the fill on the left, choose the colour we want, and then just fill the background. And then we can lock it again. So to apply the circles, we go to Ellipse on the left in the toolbox and just drag it onto the stage. Then adjust it to center it, and then apply. Then there are blending options. I just left it as standard. So I decided to change the colour of the circle. This was simple. You just click the layer on the right hand side in the box and then go to fill on the left again, choose the colour, and then apply it to that shape. So we need more than one circle, so I just right clicked on the circle layer and clicked duplicate layer. So that's just the identical version. Then Command T to transform and adjust the size. So I've done this quite a few times, just change the colours around as well to make it a bit different. So then we go to the eraser tool on the left toolbox again and just wipe out a couple of bits in each circle at uneven points. So there's the finished version that we used in the Digipack. It went on the back where the CD would go. It's very basic to do because I'm not the best at Photoshop. But yeah, that's Photoshop.